Good evening, everyone. It is Tuesday, the week of Thanksgiving, and it was ugly. Uh, I warned, and many other folks warned, that today could be ugly if the sell continued in SMA 20 on the daily broke, and it did break for sure. Uh, this is a chart I showed earlier to some folks. This is the weekly on the SPX 500, and you notice that the trend line support here is very similar to the trend line support here, and as soon as that trend line broke, it took a massive reversal, and I was worried that today might be that day, and it was. We went through it today. We could be retracing. We could see exactly what happened a couple months ago, or this may be just a give back off of some macro news. We are sitting just above fib retracement. You notice this fib retracement from this high to this low. This dotted line right here representing the 23.6% fib retracement. We are sitting right above that, so it could offer some support tomorrow. It's really hard to say. The volume was high today. That often comes with a reversal, and I wouldn't call it a blowout either. Or a blow off. So we could have some more downside. But here's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to try to be optimistic. I'm going to hope that this fib retracement acts as support. It didn't last time, fell right through it. But we're going to look for those ranges about 1175. And on the daily, same kind of thing. There's that fib retracement line. It's actually more like a lower 1171, 1172 range. We need to hold that. If we don't hold that, then we'll probably get to the SMA 50, which is what everybody's talking about, which is 1165. So no need to jump in and get crazy tomorrow. Let's confirm that these things are going to happen. Let's confirm that SMA 50 on the daily is going to hold at 1165 range, and I'd really like to see the fib retracement hold at 1171. We have the big sell-off. That's definitely bearish. This cross is bearish. The last time we got that was way back here in August. Stochastic RSI 14 is finally starting to show some oversold ranges, so it's kind of a mixed message, but the chart leans that there could be a little more downside, at least to the SMA 50. The only good news, the only positive sign, is that this is the 3-minute chart. After we gave it away, we pretty much treaded water sideways, finished with a little bit of momentum up toward the end of the day. So maybe we try to put in a bottom here as Apple touched 300. Seems like every time it touched 300 today, it bounced back up and the market recovered. So maybe that's what's going on here. It's hard to say. 1173. I'm gonna look for an entry tomorrow. I'm gonna watch this really, and if we get above this 1180 range, I'm gonna probably add a few longs on the scalp and go from there. I don't want to hold any overnight. I'm not a big fan of holding into the holidays. So again, I'm looking for a move over 1180 to go long on scalp. If it stays below that, I'm gonna maybe not do much of anything except for watch for the fib support and the SMA 50 support. If we get some stability there early, there may be some long opportunities from there. I don't plan on going short tomorrow, however, unless it's extremely short term because of how much downside we've had. We've had 4 red candles in a row and 6 out of the last 7. So I'm probably not going to go short in the near term. But that's about it. So I'm looking for 1180, 1181 to the long side. If it doesn't get above that, I will watch it, look for support. Good luck tomorrow, and don't over position yourself right now. The market is still trying to decide which way it wants to go. Careful.